check out our campsite for the next couple of days. This is Anutz Lake. This is unbelievable. Mountains with snow. Look at the cloud formation over there. Absolutely gorgeous. So there's our campsite over there. Look at this lake, eh? Hey. Yeah, I can see this being a very sought after place to go. It's been super windy the whole time we've been here. It's unbelievable how windy it is here. But it's a beautiful site and we're the only ones here. There is another, there's a tent here, but they haven't been here since we've arrived. So I don't know, maybe they went into Port McNeil or whatever. But yeah, it's just windy as all get out. Beautiful spot. Yeah, I see that. I've been kind of cooped up inside because of the so much wind. So it's nice to get out. Just gonna explore a little bit more. Okay, Anutz, we're gonna check out the outhouses here. They have 3 of them. Let's see how well kept they are. Oh, these are cute little guys. Look at how small they are. Okay, here's the first one. Ooh, baby. It is clean. I don't think I'd sit on that though. That's just for peepees. Let's check this baby out. Oh, this one's actually pretty clean. I'm impressed. Wow. Huh. Not bad. When we were coming in, we saw this little trail off to the right. Just thought we'd go down it a little way, see where it takes us. I would think it takes us to the lake. So the wind finally died down here and we're able to come outside, enjoy this fantastic beach. Man, we're the only people here too. That's amazing. It's absolutely gorgeous here. Mountains up there, snow-covered mountains. Nice sandy beach. My gosh, I am shocked that this place is empty right now. There's a little bit of a breeze, but it's not bad. It's pretty good. Not bad at all. I can't complain. So we're going to stay here tonight, and then tomorrow we head to Port Hardy, and we're going to stay. We've got a campsite lined up there that we're going to stay at. So we are the only people in this campground. Look at the size of this place. We got that beautiful. We got the best spot, obviously. Look at our chairs. Look at the view we have. It's just amazing, absolutely amazing. But pretty crazy. This beautiful campground. It's a Friday. I'm assuming people will start showing up. We've had a couple of four-wheelers come down here, side by side, and another four-wheeler just come down for a minute and then turn around and go out again. But nobody's come here permanently. They've even got some apparatus for the kids. There's a big kid right there. But there's all sorts of sites all the way through here. Big area. We have definitely enjoyed ourselves. We'll see how it goes tonight. See what kind. Like the problem with the rec site is there's nobody taking charge of what's going on here. So if we get a bunch of rowdies in here, that kind of sucks. But other than that, it's been great. There was a couple of guys here last night, friendly. They look like they were all four-wheeler type people. They were great, and they didn't stick the night though. They just kind of ate supper and left. And yeah, so this is our odds and sods fire, as my wife calls it. We found wood around the campground, and we used a little bit of ours, and yeah, it's quite nice. And I used the other thing that I used that was really beneficial, I thought, is we found this stuff. It's called GoFire. They're just small little fire starters, and that started that fire no problem. They work excellent. Kind of got the idea from Kenny of All Trades. He uses some other type of thing. Fast fire is what he uses, and this is a similar idea. We can't get that fast fire up here, or if you do, it's super expensive. So I found this GoFire, and it works great. You get it's cheap, and you don't need to cut wood or anything. So we had a harrowing experience coming out of the campground. There's a really, I wish I taped it, I should have, but the super steep part that's it's scary as hell. Get out. And Sue swears the inside of the RV was going at a 45-degree angle, and holy cow, I'll tell you, it was quite a harrowing experience. But I wanted to stop at this bridge. I was going to stop on the way here. Check out this. Pretty spectacular. So I thought I would give my final thoughts on Anutz campground. You couldn't ask for a nicer spot, right on the river. It was terrific. There was a couple of things though. First thing, you're isolated out there. You're way the heck out, and there's nobody there. It kind of feels, it's a little intimidating, I guess. And at nighttime, when you're all alone there, and you hear a noise, you're going, what is that? Hey, what? So that part of it, that was definitely a bit of a downfall. I would have preferred if there was other people there, would have felt a little more safe, I guess. And the other thing that I guess would be it was awfully windy for a lot of the time that we were there, but it was still beautiful. Oh my gosh, I just loved it there. And then the third thing I mentioned, that how steep it is going in to the campsite. It's like a very steep drop that's very rutted, and it looked really intense. I was really concerned about going down it. I thought that it could be quite hazardous, but made it in quite easily. It didn't. I went down, felt pretty safe, but I'll tell you, coming out, that was a different story. I should have taped it. I kicked myself that I didn't tape it, but Sue was inside this time, and on the way down she wasn't, and she was inside. And the F-bombs were flying as I was climbing up the hill, because we were rocking, rocking a lot. It almost felt like we were going to tip, and that's how steep and rutted that was. So yeah, that was harrowing, to say the least. So I definitely wouldn't recommend going down there with a big motorhome like ours anyways. A smaller motorhome I think would be okay. Yeah, it's a little daunting, but besides that, and you know, listening to some of the F-bombs flying out, the holy F-bombs, as the vehicles shifting back and forth, was terrific. Yeah, so other than that, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I really appreciate it. And also try to get out and enjoy some great camping this summer.